Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can see how many streams a song has on Spotify. So it's pretty simple. Now if you just go into a random like mix and you want to see the stream of the music, it does not show you. As you guys can see, nothing is being shown over here. But if I want to see the stream of this music, what I need to do is just search like this. Click on the search icon at the top left and write the song's name. Once you write the song's name, it's going to show you the song's name. And who's the song created by? Justin Bieber. So I just need to click on his profile name over here, Justin Bieber. And it's going to take me inside his profile. And once I'm inside his profile, as you guys can see, I can see the number of streams the music has. So just like this. So you need to go inside the individual artist's profile, then only it's going to show you the stream. Otherwise, it's not going to show you the number of stream the music has. Remember, it has to be under the popular section. If it is not under the popular section, that means the song does not has a lot of streams. That's why it's not showing you the stream number, all right? Because if the stream number is on like 100 or 200, it's not going to show you anything. So I hope you understand how you guys can see how many streams a particular music has on Spotify. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.